In this task, we have to disable root user access on all app servers. So I connected to three of the app servers already. So what I'm gonna do in app server 1, I'm gonna set a password for root user swd. Then I'm gonna give password now. So if I come to our jump host, let's try to connect to that server str01 with root user. What's that? Oh, sorry, that's a typo. Now I'm able to connect it with the root user. So we have to disable this. So then let's jump into server 1. We have to edit /etc ssh and sshd config file. Under this, look for permit root login access over here. Just press X. So that's gonna disable delete that pound symbol. Then put it as no. Then save and exit. Then once you do that, in order to update the changes, so if you don't restart the service, if you come back here, exit from this, then try to connect the root user again. Now we were able to connect because we changed this configuration file, but in order to effect those changes, we have to restart that SSHD service. That's it. If you try it now, it says permission denied. So because we updated, so we have to do the same thing in other servers as well. SSHD underscore config, then look for root login, then delete that pound symbol and replace yes with no, then save and exit, then restart the service, restart SSHD. That's it. Then do the same thing for third server as well. SSHD underscore config, then scroll down till you find a permit root login, or you can search it to delete that pound symbol and replace yes with no. And don't forget to restart the service in order to effect the changes. That's it. Let's click on check now, because this root user contains all the privileges, so it's good to disable that user. So if someone gets access to that machine, so that's gonna screw us. That's it. Thank you for watching.